Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use BrickForce. BrickForce is a crucial steel reinforcement that significantly enhances the structural integrity of masonry walls. It helps prevent cracking and improves overall stability. You'll typically install it horizontally within the mortar joints as you lay bricks or blocks. Understanding its proper application is key to building durable and resilient structures, ensuring your walls stand strong for many years to come. There are primarily two types of BrickForce: ladder and truss. The ladder type features parallel side rods connected by straight cross rods, while the truss type incorporates diagonal cross rods for superior strength and load distribution. Both are commonly manufactured from galvanized steel, offering excellent resistance to corrosion. For more extreme conditions, such as coastal areas or chemical exposure, stainless steel versions provide even greater durability and longevity. Proper installation is vital for BrickForce to perform effectively. Begin by placing it on a fresh, level mortar bed, ensuring it's fully embedded. When joining sections, overlap them by at least 200 millimeters to maintain continuous reinforcement. It's also crucial to ensure a minimum of 15 millimeters of mortar cover from the wall face. Typically, you'll install BrickForce at regular intervals, often every 2 or 3 courses, as specified in your building plans. To maximize the benefits of BrickForce, always ensure precise alignment and level placement during installation. Try to avoid cutting the reinforcement unnecessarily, as this can compromise its design strength. It's absolutely essential to consult your local building codes and any engineering specifications for your project, as requirements can vary. Finally, store your BrickForce in a dry, protected area to prevent any premature corrosion before it's installed, ensuring its long-term effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.